What if I told you that just a few simple snacks could protect your kidneys, flush out toxins, and improve your energy, starting today? Most people don't realize kidney damage can start quietly years before any serious symptoms appear. Fatigue, puffy ankles, foamy urine, or frequent nighttime trips to the bathroom could be early warning signs. But the good news? Eating the right snacks can make a huge difference for your kidney health, and you don't need expensive supplements or exotic superfoods. Stay with me, because today I'm revealing the top 4 kidney-friendly snacks you should eat every day to support healthy kidney function, reduce inflammation, and help your body naturally detox, all in a way that's simple, affordable, and easy to include in your daily routine. Number 1. Fresh apple slices with almond butter. Let's start with something simple that you probably already have at home: apples. Apples are naturally low in potassium, phosphorus, and sodium, 3 minerals that can put extra strain on your kidneys if consumed in excess. That makes them one of the safest fruits for kidney health. But that's not all. Apples are packed with fiber, which supports digestion, helps remove toxins from your body, and keeps your kidneys from overworking. When paired with almond butter, apples become a perfect kidney-friendly snack. Almond butter adds a small dose of healthy fat and plant-based protein without overwhelming your kidneys with phosphorus or sodium. Here's how it works. The fiber from the apple acts like a broom in your digestive system, sweeping toxins out of your body. Almonds provide magnesium, which supports kidney function and helps maintain healthy blood pressure. Together, they reduce inflammation, which is a major contributor to kidney disease over time. Pro tip: slice 1 medium apple and pair it with 1 to 2 tablespoons of unsalted almond butter for a satisfying kidney-boosting snack. Number 2. Greek yogurt with berries. Next up is Greek yogurt paired with fresh berries, a simple, nutrient-dense snack that does wonders for your kidneys. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, calcium, and probiotics. Protein helps repair cells and maintain muscle function, while probiotics support gut health. A healthy gut means fewer toxins circulating in your bloodstream, which reduces the burden on your kidneys. Adding berries like blueberries or raspberries increases antioxidants, which fight inflammation in your kidneys. Chronic inflammation is one of the leading contributors to kidney disease, so incorporating antioxidant-rich foods daily is key. Here's why this combo is powerful. Greek yogurt is low in phosphorus and potassium, so it's safe for kidneys. Berries provide natural sweetness without spiking blood sugar. Probiotics help balance gut bacteria, indirectly reducing kidney stress. Serving suggestion: half a cup of Greek yogurt with a handful of fresh berries is the perfect daily kidney-friendly snack. Number 3. Roasted chickpeas with olive oil. Snack number 3 is a crunchy, savory option: roasted chickpeas with olive oil. Chickpeas are plant-based protein packed with fiber, magnesium, and potassium in moderate amounts, making them ideal for kidney support. They help regulate blood sugar, reduce inflammation, and support healthy kidney filtration. When roasted with a touch of olive oil, chickpeas become a delicious, satisfying snack that keeps you full and energized without overloading your kidneys. Olive oil adds heart-healthy fats and antioxidants that protect kidney cells from damage. Key benefits: fiber helps your kidneys by removing toxins efficiently. Magnesium in chickpeas supports electrolyte balance and blood pressure control. Healthy fats reduce inflammation, which is critical for long-term kidney health. Tip: roast 1 cup of chickpeas with 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a pinch of paprika, and garlic powder for a flavorful, kidney-friendly snack. Number 4. Celery sticks with hummus. Finally, a refreshing, low-calorie option: celery sticks with hummus. Celery is naturally high in water content, which helps hydrate your body and supports kidney detoxification. It's also low in potassium and phosphorus, so it's gentle on your kidneys. Hummus, made from chickpeas, tahini, olive oil, and lemon juice, adds protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Together, celery and hummus create a snack that hydrates your body and aids in flushing out toxins, reduces inflammation in your kidneys, supports digestion, and stable blood sugar levels. Serving suggestion: pair 3 to 4 celery sticks with 2 to 3 tablespoons of hummus for a crunchy, kidney-friendly afternoon snack. So, there you have it, the top 4 kidney-friendly snacks you should eat every day. Fresh apple slices with almond butter, Greek yogurt with berries, roasted chickpeas with olive oil, celery sticks with hummus. Including these simple, affordable snacks in your daily routine can help your kidneys detox naturally, reduce inflammation, and support overall kidney function, especially after age 50. Remember, taking care of your kidneys doesn't have to be complicated. Small, consistent changes, like switching your usual snacks to these kidney-friendly options, can make a big difference over time. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical tips to protect your kidneys and overall health. And comment below, which snack will you try first?